Alright everyone, so we're back on with Golf R today. So now we know it's mechanically sound. It's basically just a case of bodywork now. So bonnet on, bonnet hinges, wings, rad pack. Yeah, just build it all back up.
Then we're going to go on a little road test and just to make sure everything's alright. Obviously we haven't driven it, we don't know if gearbox is alright, we don't know if diff's alright. So we'll get a road test and
What could be on with gearbox?
Well, it might be missing a gear.
Might?
It might be missing.
How would you know?
Well, when I put it into that gear.
Alright. Will it not have flappy paddles?
No.
Ah.
Automatics are for girls.
Yeah. What else might it need?
Diff. Diff might wind its head off.
So let's do that third pedal.
Yeah, it might not have a clutch. Anyway.
So it's going to take wing off. Don't forget the secret 8mm on the rear. And your VW stuff, Golfs, Tiguan's. We have a little bolt under there. Don't hit window weight either.
Yeah. Oh, it's off. Yeah, it is. That badge is only bonded, hasn't it? There we go, one off.
They come off well easy then.
Easier than Tiguan's do, don't they?
Yeah. It's like it's been down, got to keep up. I must say, you did a tremendous job getting off, Josh.
Thanks.
So that's wings off. As you can see, bonnet hinges are all bent. It's always good practice to change them anyway. Can't always see if they're bent, but in this case, you can. Right. So we're just going to adjust this bonnet bolt bracket thing here. Try not to break window anymore. About that, just need to crack that off.
Right, so I'm just transferring these little radiator bungs from this wall, from the old smashed one to the new one. It's really simple, you just push them in. I say it's really simple, then it gets stuck. There you go, nice and easy. That's one done.
So I just took 230mm out of the bonnet cap and get that off. Got two new ones to go on. This one's a little bit of a tweak over there, just not quite in line. Hopefully they'll just get repair my always to repair that.
Dude, you're a genius!
It's alright. End you'll pull it straight anyway.
Are we going to drive it tonight, Andy, or what?
Yeah. Don't know if put it in one piece, but we'll be driving it.
I'm not. I've got a feeling we've forgot something. Oh, I forgot something.
No, there's every chance you would have forgot something. Yeah. On the face of it, looks like we have got it. Hey, over there. We've got you.
Right, so what we're doing is we're going to build the actual rad pack up and then put it inside at cowling, put the fan on, and then we'll bolt it all in as a oneer. Get it done.
Good boy.
What?
Good boy.
Yeah, it does, yeah. I know what you meant.
And then they slot into there.
Oh. Yeah. Can't do. I thought that as well.
Oh, it does, yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Into bottom first.
What?
Gotta go in bottom first.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's why. See how I made that just drop in like that?
Yeah.
Do you have a bolt in the front of it?
Nope.
Got your other? That one's on. Oh. Cool, that's right.
That's it. There.
Should be it.
There was something toward it, it'll come with. So I don't know what that screws onto. But yeah. Then I'll screw it on before I put it back up.
Right, plumb.
I have to get screws. Or clips, whatever, I'll hold it with no threads in it.
It's just a clip, so we'll clip it in when it's on. Will it lift up and sit just above that? Look chassis like.
No. Not for it to sit on.
It sits there, doesn't it?
That's how it sits.
Yeah. Get crash bar. Get crash bar on now.
Where's the crash bar?
For
You look at that crash bar.
yeah. Go on.
You got it.
Ah, that's what bolts. That's what.
It bolts into the side of it, doesn't it? And we just put. This is stuck.
Right, so we've just got the new headlight out that we've got off eBay, and we've changed up modules of her, and it's not working. The indicator's not working, and only one of the DRLs is working. So that's put a bit of hole on because we need it to line up wings up. We're going to put the bonnet on and run it up to temperature now we've got rad on, but unfortunately there'll be no test drive tonight.
everyone, so we've got it all built, well, we've built it up as far as we can, barring the headlight and that wing, because obviously we need the headlight to line the wing up. So we've just put some colour in it now, it's got a radiator on, just letting it run up temperature, check it for leaks, check it for mice.
So far so good, it's not got any leaks that we can see. We'll just wait for the thermostat to open to fill radiator and hopefully we'll be scot-free and get away with it.
Yeah, maybe regas aircon.
Right, there's no need, is there? There's no need, it was an accident, no need. What Andy's referring to is we had to bend a little aircon pipe.
Well, there weren't any way involved in it.
And all I did is pulled it and it broke. I think it already cracked and I just helped it off. Oh. In this box is the final piece of the puzzle. It is an headlight. As you will have seen on social media, I've been trying for a long time to try and get a headlight. I did manage to get one. From eBay it came, £400, which is still expensive, but we managed to get it. We plugged it in and it didn't work, so it kind of put a halt on things. I've been looking for a few days after and couldn't find anything. So I had to bite the bullet and pay £930 for this headlight. I better not drop it. So as you can see, it's a brand spanking new headlight, but it doesn't come complete. No modules, nothing. So I have got my modules, so I'm going to swap them over and hopefully everything should just be plug and play, and then we can be out on a test drive later on. Right, so we're going to fit all these modules. They only go in one place. They all got different connectors, so it should be nice and simple, really.
Apart from two.
They're all held in by little T20s. Same. Andy's just gone to check which light, the old light, to see which module goes where. They are two the same. Very nervous. It's a very expensive light.
Yeah, no better.
It's got to be dropped off today from paint, so right, so that's the headlight complete. All four modules are bolted on. Ready to fit it. Let's go and fit it and make sure it works. We're going to plug it in just to make sure everything works before we fit it.
Yeah.
Right, so all we're going to do is just plug it in and see if it works. It better work.
Probably more successful than one overnight.
Mate, I'm very nervous just about holding it in. Right, do you want to turn the ignition on?
Yeah.
Right, are we ready? I'm ready. So that is not meant to happen. One of the DRLs is not working. Put indicator on. No indicator. Uh-oh. Right, so we've been messing about with headlight and we think there's a module gone down, so we're going to build it up anyway, send it for paint, while then I'll order a module. But yeah, so far so good. We've got the wing on, got headlight on. So bumper and grille, and connect everything up, and we're going on a road test.
Alright everyone, so it's a nice Saturday. What else do we do but spend it working on cars? So we've just been doing the Golf. So now it looks a little bit like a Spanish taxi. So yeah, good paint this afternoon.
Yeah, we're going to drop it off. We're just about to go on a road test with it. Headlights are working in a fashion. It is lighting up, indicators now working, randomly started working. So yeah, come with us, we're going to road test. Let's see if we make it around block first.
Yeah, wait, see.
Hey, we're drunk a quarter of a tank of fuel, just workshop.
Well, I must knock our bang out.
No, there's no noises, is there?